Hello guys, this is Jatin Srivastava and here I am with a new video set on practical aspect of business listing. So in the last lecture we have a fair idea about its theoretical aspect, and in this lecture we will try to register our website onto the top domain authority and page authority websites of business listing, that is Yellow Pages and Google Business Listing. So let's get started with the first website that we have as Yellow Pages. So Yellow Pages have a good domain and page authority and can help you in boosting your business over online. And it's simple. It's quite simple and straightforward. So all you have to do is basically click on add a business link here on Yellow Pages website. Initially you need to register on their account on their website. As you can see, I have already registered. Let me just open it in a private window, and you can see there that you have to initially register at their platform in order to utilize their services. And for that you just simply have to click on add a business, and in the next page they will give you a form to register for their business. Get listed now, and here you can see the sign in window pop up. Here you can sign in. As I have already my account, I can sign in here, or you can click on register now, and it's quite easy and simple and straightforward. You can easily register your website, your personal information. Yeah, so in this way you can basically list your business online. So these are the details you need to fill up. I'm not going to fill any of the dummy details here. Okay, so this is quite a simple straightforward aspect. So I do not have my physical presence right now, so this is a e-learning portal and runs over the online website only. Basically business listing is generally for the platforms who have their offline store but do not have their website, or have their offline store at the website as well, but would like to have a boost on their search engine ranking. Okay, so these are the details. Yellow Pages will going to verify the detail as well, okay, via OTP or maybe via voice on call. So you click on add business, will take around 2 to 3 days in order to get it verified. Okay, and a similar approach can be taken on the Google Map listing, or you can say Google Business Listing. You have to search Google Business Listing. You have to sign in with your Gmail account here. Okay, once you are signed in and good to go, you need to sign in here. Let me just sign in with my Gmail account here. Yeah, so I've already signed in, you can see here. And what I have to basically do, I have to name my business. So you can say I will not be going to register anything here, because in the next page it is going to ask me regarding my physical presence that I don't have as of now. So yeah, you can see it is asking for my physical presence. Not going to fill any dummy details. The process is simple and straightforward. You can follow it at your mind. If you may have any query, you can simply screenshot it and send it to me over my email ID, and I will get back to you ASAP. Okay, here you can see a complete article has been also been given on my website about business listing. Need steps to register. You can see all the steps have been given up here for your convenience. Listing on Google Maps has been also been given. The steps have been given. Okay, and then the possible error that may pop up, should not be pop up but may pop up, have been discussed here as well, like a FAQ section, frequently asked questions. Okay, so I have tried to cover all the aspect here, given you the website, the simple steps is there, register at their platform, sign in with the Gmail account in case of Google Business Listing, and get your listing approved ASAP. Okay, so this was all about the today's lecture.